Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start with the essential first step for delicious kimchi. In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi. First, cut about 2 pounds of napa cabbage into 2-inch pieces. Then, brine the cabbage in 1/4 cup of salt and enough water to cover it for approximately 2 hours. This draws out moisture and seasons the cabbage. After brining, rinse the cabbage thoroughly 3 times under cold water and drain it very well. This ensures your kimchi isn't too salty. Now, let's create the flavorful kimchi paste. In a large bowl, combine 1/2 cup of gochugaru, 1/4 cup of fish sauce, and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Next, add 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix these ingredients thoroughly. Finally, add 1/4 cup of water to achieve a thick, spreadable paste consistency. This paste is the heart of your kimchi's unique taste. With your paste ready, it's time to combine everything. Wear gloves to protect your hands and thoroughly mix the kimchi paste with the drained cabbage. Ensure every piece is coated. Then, add about 1 cup of sliced daikon radish and 3 chopped green onions, mixing them in evenly. Pack the kimchi tightly into a clean jar, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. This prevents overflow during fermentation. Your kimchi is almost ready to enjoy. Let it ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. You'll notice small bubbles and a pleasant sour smell, indicating active fermentation. After this initial period, transfer the jar to your refrigerator. Kimchi continues to ferment slowly in the cold. It can be stored in the refrigerator for several weeks, becoming more flavorful over time. Enjoy your homemade kimchi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.